Welcome to this quick guide on how to block someone on LinkedIn using your PC. Whether you're dealing with unwanted messages or just want to tidy up your professional network, blocking someone on LinkedIn is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to linkedin.com. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard with all your connections and updates. Now, you need to find the profile of the person you want to block. Use the search bar at the top of the page to type in their name and navigate to their profile. Once you're on their profile page, look for the More button located next to the Message button. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Report or Block. This option allows you to either report the profile if it's suspicious or block the person entirely. In the pop-up window that appears, you'll see two options: Report this profile and Block Name. Since you want to block this person, click on Block Name. You'll then be asked to confirm your decision. Click Block again to finalize the process. Blocking someone on LinkedIn means they won't be able to view your profile, send you messages, or see your updates. It's a great way to maintain your privacy and keep your professional network clean. Remember, LinkedIn allows you to block up to 1,400 people, so you have plenty of room to manage your connections. One important thing to note is that the person you block won't receive a notification unless you share a LinkedIn Recruiter account with them. This means you can block someone discreetly, without worrying about any immediate backlash. If you ever change your mind and want to unblock someone, you can do so by going to your settings and privacy options. However, keep in mind that you'll have to wait 48 hours before you can block them again. That's it. Blocking someone on LinkedIn is a simple and effective way to control who interacts with you on the platform. Whether you're dealing with spam, harassment, or just unwanted connections, this feature gives you the power to manage your professional online presence with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.